If you're serious about audio quality, the cable you choose matters more than you might think. This 6-channel directional RCA cable, stretching 17 feet, is designed to keep unwanted noise out and pure sound in. Its single-jacketed, twisted pair design actively eliminates radiated noise, ensuring your system hears only what it's supposed to. Built with continuous connection construction, also known as C3 tech, this cable guarantees smooth and reliable signal transfer. That means no interruptions, no signal loss, just crystal clear audio from start to finish. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or car sound system, this cable supports accuracy and frequency response that brings your music to life. The cable ends feature soft grip molded split-tip RCA connectors with Stinger's genuine Shoc-Krome plating. This detail maximizes signal transfer and durability, so you get consistent performance without worrying about wear or corrosion over time. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in sound clarity. Installation is straightforward but important. The cables are color-coded and marked for direction, red nubs for right channels and clear for left. Following these directions ensures optimal sound quality and prevents issues like channel swapping. The cables are thin and bundled neatly, making them easy to route without cluttering your setup. Many users across the United States praise this cable for delivering exceptional sound quality at a price that won't break the bank. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants to avoid cheap, noisy cables that compromise their audio experience. After all, why skimp on one of the most critical parts of your system? If you encounter any ground noise or whining, it's likely not the cable. Instead, check your amp's ground connection. Make sure it's attached to bare, sanded metal with no paint. All grounds should connect at a single point to avoid interference. If noise persists, isolate your equipment by connecting devices one at a time to identify the source. This 6-channel directional RCA cable combines thoughtful design with quality materials to deliver clear, accurate sound. It's worth a look if you want to upgrade your audio system without fuss or guesswork. If that's you, give it a try when you're ready and hear the difference for yourself.